Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am going to convert this to the facelift. So we're going to start off with these front bumper as well and the rear tail lights. I will show you step at a time, I guess. Once I've done them, I have other videos on how you can change them step by step. However, in this one I'm just going to go through them, change the part at a time, and show you in that sort of progress. So this is what it looks like. And they're going to be kept the same anyway. So this is a Defender 110. The rear lights are going to come off. We're going to turn it into the LED shapes. So we'll start off with this whole front, get it all off and take it from there. Front kidneys come off. These come off as well, you have to. Well, they're the screws on them, and you've got screws in the light, and you've got these two screws. So these will come off just as like this. This just popped out. Obviously you've got them 3 screws and them 3 screws and 2 at the bottom as well. So far we have gotten all this done. Put the front bumper bar on, LEDs all work, all connected up, as you can see. It's here. So it's not end of the world, it's pretty damn easy. You need 2, well, there's like 4 in total there. So 2 here and 2 there, positive and neg, live, should we say. And I've tucked up there in that corner. It's the safest position, should we say. And the same on this side. So we've done it. Pop the front headlights on in a second as well. Get that all in place. And yeah, we'll move on to the next stage.